Hi everybody, myself Dr. R. Balamurugan, Associate Professor in the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, KS Rangasamy College of Technology, Tiruchengodu. I'm going to discuss about the transistors, its construction and its configurations. Let's we see the slides. Transistor is an three-terminal device which is controlled by a base, and it is a base controlled device. We can say is a current control device also. And the basic application of transistor is nothing but amplifier, which is used in many applications like radio, television signals for amplifying the electronic signals. And nowadays, transistors are finding applications in many applications which is need amplification and other things also. Let's we see the construction of a transistor. Before going to see that, we will see the classification of a transistor. So transistor is basically classified into two types: bipolar junction transistor and field effect transistor. So bipolar junction transistor is divided into two types: NPN and PNP based on the construction, and field effect transistor is divided into two types based on the construction: junction field effect transistor and metal oxide field effect transistor. And the classifications of junction field effect transistor and metal oxide field effect transistors are shown below. Depletion type, enhancement type. In that, based on the channel construction, we can say it as an N channel or P channel. Bipolar junction transistor, there are three terminals: emitter, base, and collector. Emitter is always heavily doped with moderate size, and base is a thin material which is lightly doped, and collector is lightly doped compared to that of the emitter, and size compared with emitter, which will be somewhat bigger than emitter. And there are two types of transistors: NPN and PNP transistors, and the construction is shown here. And PNP transistor and NPN transistor, there are two junctions you can see here: emitter based junction and collector based junction. Based on the type of material, it can be classified as P type material and N type material. Transistor biasing. So you can see the biasing of transistors based on the configurations. There are three configurations: common base, common collector, and common emitter configurations. So the based on the biasing giving to the transistor, it can be divided, it can be operated in three operating regions as you can see: cutoff, active, and saturation. There are two characteristics is observed while biasing is given to a transistor. You can see input characteristics and output characteristics. Based on the variation of the base current, you can have the operation which is in cutoff, active, and saturation. So for amplification, we should operate this transistor in active region. These are the references. Thank you for giving this opportunity to explain about transistors. Thank you.